Hey guys, I'm Matt Wilson, and this is my build of my 72 XA Falcon. So far, up until now, I've done suspension, pulled all the front end apart, taking the engine out, redoing the engine at the moment. A fair bit done in terms of suspension, all the bushes replaced and all that sort of good shit. I've filmed all of that, but I haven't really documented it face to face like this. So from here on, I'll be covering most things, explaining how we go about it, how we do things. Because when I built a lot of stuff, I wish that there was content out there that I could just refer to. I'm doing that mainly for my future self, but also for others out there that want to find out how to do something. There's not much online, especially in regards to these old Falcons. People who tend to build these cars are your older generation and they don't document things. So I hope to video a lot of this stuff and get it out there and really add to the great content that's being produced by a lot of younger guys now that are building the Falcons and actually showing how these things are done, videoing the journey, and really just providing a great learning platform. Hey guys, so today we're going to be stripping down this 351 Cleveland that's going in the XA. I've already restored the air cleaner, restored the intake manifold, done the valve covers and all that sort of stuff just to make them look a little bit prettier. The rest of it is completely untouched. It looks like absolute shit. The water pump is shot. The alternator is old and worn. So we're going to be stripping it down today, replacing a whole bunch of the gaskets, cleaning it up, giving it a bit of a paint job, replacing a few of the pieces. We've got some airflow, new sump, all new gaskets, new plugs, new alternator, new water pump, all the cool and fun shit. And I'll be taking you through doing all that, as well as a whole heap of little tips and tricks on how to properly install the gaskets and make sure that you get the best from your engine when you put it back together. So we've got the timing cover, gasket kit, water pump gasket, timing cover gasket, and timing cover seal or front crank seal. Right, so I've pressed in the new front crank seal next to a bit of wood and the soft face, and now we're going to put on this gasket, put in a bit of goop, and it's time to install. So that's pretty much the engine all sorted, minus a few things. The stud for the fuel pump is still broken off in the engine block, even though we tried unsuccessfully to get it out.
Oh, Martin.
This is why you don't let me touch your tools, but also why I don't let anyone touch my tools.
It was coming out.
It was fucking 100% coming out.
Well.
Fuck now, isn't it?
So I gotta figure out how I'm gonna deal with that. Still waiting on the harmonic balancer as well. That still hasn't arrived. Classic Australia Post, it takes fucking 6 weeks to get anything. And yeah, happy where this is at for now. So I can move on to the other things in the car, mainly repairing a rusty plenum. So that'll be fun. I'll push this into a corner. Just gonna wait around while I work on some other things on the car. So join us next time for when we attempt rust repairs. Thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I'm really excited to share this build with everyone. Hopefully it motivates me a little bit more to get it done a little bit quicker, because I really want to get this thing on the road, quick, smart, and start enjoying it.